Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So right about now, my viewers and subscribers, boy, I tell the people, sad thing, you know. Wish everybody I talk about now. Everybody's shocked about this incident now, my viewers and subscribers, involving this little toddler, beautiful little princess, my people, who is gone. You understand? And sadly, them say she was left in the car by her father, my viewers and subscribers, outside the police station and thing, and only just sees and he knows, my people. But before me even going on the details or nothing, or start do nothing people and start speak out and lick out, you know what me personally want to know, my viewers and subscribers, I want to read this article, an article me have in front of me. You understand? We are talking about, you know, the persons who know the father and describe the father, because a lot of people are saying the father is a wicked and him do this and him do that, my people. So I want to read this article right now in front of my people. We can explain certain things, you understand, and then we can go through, we can summarize and we can think and we say, yo, January, was this really something the way plan up? Was this, you know what I mean? And we can look into certain things, my people, because, yo, it's just not a good look. Just not a good look, my people. You know, and in some cases, it's hard for me to believe. Say a man really have him daughter and manage to left him in I don't remember his daughter, your daughter, you know. So let me just read this thing of a few people and go through it. Friends of the policeman who reportedly left his 1-year-old daughter in his car for more than 8 hours on Monday while he was at work are describing him as a good father and are asking persons not to judge him. When the child was finally found outside the Black River police station where her dad is stationed, she was motionless and was later pronounced dead at hospital. According to friend, the detective sergeant, who was not accustomed to taking his daughter to daycare, and summarized that it may have been work-related stress that contributed to his lapse. He would not have left her in the car purposely. He is too much of a good father to do that, said the friend yesterday. Both of the baby's parents are cops. According to persons close to the family, Monday was the baby's 3rd day at daycare as her grandmother, who would usually take care of her, is ill. I know people are going to say she is a child and how could he forget, but sometimes even your phone is in your hand and you are looking for it, said the friend. Several persons have visited the cops' home offering condolences and support. The couple have an older daughter together while the wife has a son from another relationship. The friend said the policeman is too attentive to his children and that he always supervises older daughter's homework. Sharika Wiley, the wife's hairdresser, said that the death has sent her into depression. I get anxiety, and even today at work everybody was just out of it. Everybody is just really sad. If I feel the way I do, can you imagine how devastated they are? She asks. Riley expressed disappointment with comments on social media. People are bashing him, but he's only human. Stuff happens. We are quick to judge and we don't know who they are. She described the couple as humanitarians who are always taking care of other people's children. Meanwhile, child advocate Betty and Blaine described the incident as bizarre. It is a very tragic and very disturbing case. It's especially as we are told that the father is a police officer and the car was parked all day at the police station where he works, she said. Children die in Jamaica in a variety of ways, but in my many decades in working as a child advocate, I have never heard of an incident like this one. Sometimes you hear these things happen in other countries, but I have never heard of a case like this one happening in Jamaica, she said. Police officers are trained to be sharp, to be alert, and to be very true. And so the question is, how did he forget his child in the car for an entire day? We expect that a complete and true investigation will be done so we can get all the answers to this very bizarre story. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. My viewers and my subscribers, boy, honestly, we understand when the friends, everybody has said not to judge my people. But honestly, me, myself, people, I have to judge in some case, and I have to, because number one, my people, me I gotta tell you the truth. Zin, number one, and why me I gotta tell you, I have to judge my people. If I have my child personally, right, for me personally as a man, my child, my baby, when me love, my baby, my people, see? Every second, me I drive with my baby in the back seat, me I go look through the wave mirror, people, for look at my child. Every minute I can, me I go take a glimpse just to see my child, people. So right through, no matter what the part of my mind was stress me of, people, my child I got it on my mind. Zine, next thing my viewers and subscribers, and what I want to say, if you take a child guard at daycare and maybe unfortunately something happen weird, you understand, you them can't keep your child, I have to take your child and bring it to work or something, people. And in some ways, some cases, my people, Zine, you left the child in the car, in the back, and then gone to work and something. And me I gotta be truthful and realistic about the whole thing, people. And me no want to be a real judge, but me have to judge in some ways, and me I gotta talk, say, the whole heap of negligence in this, people. And some things happen. And honestly, people, for my brain thinking is that the father know that the child was in the back seat of the car. He know when he reached the station, people, he knew that the baby was in the back seat. He knew the child was there, people. You understand? But my thinking is that, my viewers and subscribers, there was a solution, right, where like him link up somebody or he make connection for somebody come pick up the child. Zine, unfortunately, people, him going to work, things do happen where he do forget in some cases, in some means, my people, and things do put him brain other places, other ways. The person who maybe if you knock him or if you gleam a link and if you come for the child, people, unfortunately, they never call him. So every that gone out and brain, people, in mindset the other places, you know what I mean? And so come so be it done where all of that happen. But and my thinking is, people, he know that the child, when him come out of the car, him know the baby in the back seat, people. Him know. You understand? It wasn't a situation where him drive. God the daycare, them never managed to keep the child and him come at the station and him totally forgot about everything, people, and you know what I mean? He never even remember saying, no, he know, people. Reality, and anybody who have sense could have tell her this, my people. You understand? But me now gonna say him plan for leave her in the car for the whole day for she dead. I would never say that. You know what I mean? Because nobody in their common senses and their common mind would plan to leave a child for 8 hours in the backseat of a car without even feeding them, you understand, with glass, wine up, nothing to that. You know what I mean? Come on. You understand? But the whole matter of the thing is, people, he knew the child was there when he reached the station. And him can't tell me nothing. He know. And question is, I want to know, how far was the daycare away from the police station? Because I know it's 50 miles, I know it's 100 miles. How far was it away? See? And that is why I said, my people, when him reach to the station, my people, he know. Him looking there, him see baby, whatever baby, the baby name, he maybe give her a kiss, people, and him say him soon come. Him don't link up the person, the people say, you know what, such and such and such. Maybe there can be argument because what? Remember them say grandma used to keep the baby, people. Grandma is ill. The daycare something, unfortunately, the daycare now go keep the baby. So I'm have to bring the baby at the station. And you know police thing, or police work, but my people, he's on duty and he can't be there to be there for the baby at the same time while on duty at work. So him leave the baby in the car, people, make him blink on the connection, and something unfortunately does happen where whoever supposed to come, them never come, people. And sadly, I'm not going to judge and say he didn't love his daughter. You understand? No. That part I would never judge and say. Me not think that way there. He love his daughter yet, people. He remember she was in the backseat when he reach, people. But when him go there, get distracted, people, the person who make the link, and I just say if he go. So if him come forward and do speak the truth about the whole thing, which me know and me understand, say, yo, he can be charged. You understand, in some case and some means of people, but you know where I go? Maybe him have to try to cover up something because why him no want to go prison, no want to go jail, no want to get locked up feet my people. But reality of the mindset, and anybody who have senses can say, him know this is your baby. She's just 1 year and what them say 8 months, my people. You think so you not gonna remember baby in the car? Baby I met nice, baby was sleeping. You understand? And even baby was sleeping, my people, you are going to remember, baby. You are going to remember, baby. Because number one, you remember to go to the daycare. Number you have to remember, my people. Nobody tell me nothing, say him forgot nothing. You understand? But he's a police officer, and as well the child advocate say he's trained to be alertive. He's trained to deal with things like them and my people. You know what I mean? So if he might say him forgot all of this or for that, then how much things he forgot, people? Eh? That means he should not be a police officer. You understand? But on my real level, my people, it just sad. You understand? It really sad. I feel so hurt. Another child is gone, people, and just the manner and the way it gone, you know? And if you know, we are dealing with the story with the other child, the other little 9-year-old youth people who then come some and take out him 3 points and because it's something like this could happen again, my viewers and subscribers. And again on the western end of Jamaica. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. It is so sad. And all I can say, rest in peace, princess. Rest in peace. Sleep in peace. You know what I mean? It's really sad, my people. But as I say, people, I want you all to look into what I'm saying, my viewers and subscribers. Because I know some people have sense, people have fool, people smart. And you'll see what I'm talking about, my viewers and subscribers. But sadly, my people, she gone, you know, and only Jah sees and he knows. Some of viewers and subscribers, big up in the cell, man, they don't know, so they're attacking boss, they're NEWLINK from NEWLINK production, and there's the same people, but now launch and attack, me now go attack the parents, them like that, in a bad, me in a farmer way, but me I say, based on the fact is, me now go to and say, never love her, I'm literally just kill her like that, I want her, they know, but as me I say, people, the truth of the matter is, he know that she was there at the first point of the whole thing. When him reach to the station, he do know. Nobody not tell me nothing, say him no know. So my people, remember, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. More love, more respect, and more blessings of people. And thanks to the love, thanks to the support, the like, the share, and the comment, my viewers and subscribers. Every one of them, any one of them. Peace out, my people. Enough love. Thank you all. Big up.